Batnat sports jong kesorkar jela kani shimbenta batkari berok away haka unity march bankan mau buram ya kajing dapsis pa san posnam jong usadar villa bhai patel. Bakaran bat kinong to kubor menteri ketenat ilakai ke jela uba wailat miki sela ulapan bena baka jela kani snok tilang batkari berok away bani shimbenta haka unity march kabak sorkar pedeng kala pelaj pajba akan riu teri urisa warajar arpusan. Bat ya kani anlam kemat dakamai bharat kajing pendon kami kani kalong sibenta ban penimbyang ya kajing etli kajing long try bat lengba kani program kesorkar ka kentu ya baro kisamla bani sibenta haiki program baper ki bakatanatkan sapelong hakan leng ki district
to share with you all that we have been directed from the Ministry of Sport and Youth Affairs to conduct the Unity March for the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So today we are witnessing a truly historic occasion. This is not just another press conference but a platform to share details about the Path Yatras that will soon begin across the nation and in our region. This campaign is one that seeks to awaken the soul of the nation. Through this press conference, we are making the beginning of the Sardar 150 Unity March in our region to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Friends, this is a great moment for all of us, an opportunity to pay tribute to the man whose courage and resolve bound together a fragmented India into one united whole. We all know Sardar Patel as the Iron Man of India. But his real strength wasn't just his iron will, it is his unwavering belief that India is one, India is indivisible, and India will remain indivisible forever. Friends, this is very belief is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi is carrying forward today through the vision of Viksit Bharat of 2047. Friends, this campaign was inaugurated on 6 October through a national press conference by the Honorable Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sport, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia-ji. Since October 6, youth people across country have started taking part in the digital space, participating in social media, reel contests,